Welcome to June Homes 10031, a student home that's the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and community in vibrant New York. The apartment offers cozy non-ensuites, thoughtfully furnished to satisfy all student needs. Glide over premium hardwood floors and stay warm and toasty always with radiant heating. Whip up deliciousness in the shared kitchen, equipped with an oven, dishwasher, refrigerator, and microwave. Breeze through laundry with in-home facilities and unlock a world of entertainment with a 32-inch flat-screen TV and speedy Wi-Fi. Campus at City College of New York is a sweet stroll away, while Columbia University is just a short drive away. Make your adventures around the Big Apple super easy. Just hop on a bus from Broadway and West, 145th Street, or catch the metro from 145th Street or 155th Street stations. So hurry and book your spot at June Homes 10031 and make the most of your student life amid the buzz of New York. Book your spot via amberstudent.com today.